All right, we are making some air fried chicken wings with a veggie fried rice, which is almost like a stir fry and a fried rice mixed together. So you definitely got to stay tuned to see how we put it all together. We're using a Ninja Foodie today to make our air fried wings. So, you know, these things are gonna come out magically delicious. Look at how good it looks, guys. And so now we're gonna get into it and show you exactly how we put everything together. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. This is Chef John at Eat and Drink TV. And we ready to get into this right about now. All right, so we got chicken wings. Look at the price, guys, $3.86. I always tell y'all, I know how to get the stuff for the low, right? And then I season these wings to perfection, guys. And if you want my recipe on how I season these wings, just comment below and I'll give them to you. And we just go ahead and stick those down in the air fryer and gonna go ahead and get those going. Real simple process. Quick dry rub season from scratch, and then go ahead and let them put on air crisp and go. All right, now we're gonna whisk up our eggs for our fried rice. And I got a little bit of mustard and hot sauce in there just to give it flavor, as well as a little salt and pepper. And we go straight down with our butter. And kind of roll that around a little bit, you know, make sure our pan is nice and coated so that our eggs won't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then we just go ahead and drop our eggs in. And we're gonna scramble them up. Thing here, guys, you don't want your pan to be too hot when you scramble your eggs. You kind of want to just kind of work them so they'll have that nice consistency at the end. And you see how you just slowly working them, not doing too much, just slowly working them, letting them kind of cook on scramble on their own, right? And then when they come out, they have a real good texture and a real good consistency. I like to fry mine a little hard because I don't really like soggy eggs or whatever, but you know, these have great flavor and they're the perfect consistency. Now we got our stir fry mixed vegetables. Normally you can use like carrots, peas, onions and stuff like that if you're just doing a regular fried rice, but y'all know me, I always like to switch it up a little bit. And I added some extra broccoli because I really enjoy broccoli in the dish. And I'm gonna go ahead and season this a little bit with a little lemon pepper. You can use whatever seasoning you like. You can actually skip this step if you like. That's up to you, but always season to your liking, right? Then we're gonna add some garlic and some ginger paste. And that's just gonna give it a little bit more Asian flair and feel, and it's gonna give it a lot more flavor as well. And as you know, garlic and ginger is good for your body as well. All right, so now we're gonna go in with a little bit of teriyaki sauce and just go ahead and mix that up real good. All right, so just like our eggs, we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side, right? And let's go check on our wings. All right, so wings are almost done on this side. So we're just gonna look at them and, oh my God. Man, please. All right, now what we wanna do is flip them over so they cook evenly on both sides. Especially when you don't have a whole lot of space in your air fryer, you just want to make sure you flip them over and that they cook evenly on both sides. All right, now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and start working on our rice. We got some leftover rice from an Indian restaurant I went to, and so I just took that rice and just go ahead and make fried rice out of it. You're supposed to use cold rice when you're making fried rice, so that's just an easy way for me to do it. And they always give you all that rice. I'm never going to cook it or eat it, so I just use it for stuff like this. And this is a great way to get rid of leftovers and just don't have stuff sitting up in your fridge. So now we drop down some butter, and that's just going to add a lot of flavor and keep the rice from sticking. And we just kind of mix that around a little bit. All right, we're going to the next step, which is going to add some browning. Now, this is something that a lot of people probably don't do, but if you look at the flavors in browning, the brown sugar, and the different elements that come in a brownie, they add so much texture and flavor to the dish, but they also add color, which is makes the dish a little bit more beautiful. Then we're going to go ahead and add some soy sauce to that as well. And go ahead and get that all squirted all over the rice. And then we're going to mix that up and let all these flavors kind of marinate together while the rice is frying. All right, now you see that pretty color that's on the rice now, right? So it's beautiful. The butter's melted, the browning's mixed in, the soy sauce is mixed in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding everything back in, right? So we go ahead and add those vegetables and the broccoli and everything with that teriyaki sauce and just kind of mix that all together. And you see the dish is starting to come together beautifully right now. And it's smelling so good up in here, I don't even know what to tell you. Now we go right back in with those eggs, right? And you see how the texture of the eggs is, like I talked about earlier. Beautiful texture. Easily come right back into the dish. You don't have to do a whole lot of work and scraping and sticking together and dry eggs and all this different type of stuff. And you see how beautiful this is already. I can just show you that right now. All right, so look, we got our beautiful fried rice. It's done with the veggies. It's got the water chestnuts, broccoli, carrots, green beans, just you name it, it's in there. The baby corns. Then we got the chicken wings ready to come out of the fryer, and it's hot, so don't burn yourself up. But they're looking beautiful and delicious. And look at that, guys. Magically delicious air fried chicken wings. Like I said, if you want the recipe on the dry rub on what I did to these wings, because I did something a little different than what I normally do, just comment below and just say recipe, or just say wings rub, or whatever you want to say, and we'll go ahead and make sure we hook you up. Now we're just gonna finish putting this on the plate so we can try it out, and we'll see y'all next time on Eat and Drink TV. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Eat and Drink TV.
Wow, 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 wow.